Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create an Excel spreadsheet in Cloud Cowork. So as I said, in this video I will show you how to create an Excel spreadsheet in Cloud Cowork. We will connect into a folder on my computer, later we will write the prompt, and at the end of the video I will show you how does it work and how Cloud Cowork can actually create the Excel files. So we can move to the Cowork. First of all, we will connect the folder, so choose a different folder. I will choose the documents and Cloud right there. As you can see, my Cloud folder does not contain the Excel file, which is the file with xlsx extension, because we have to create it. So let's move to writing prompt. Let's ask the AI, for example, create a monthly budget spreadsheet, and now with, for example, categories, totals, for example, formulas, and a chart. And now we have to specify the extension, because by default I think it will try to do it in txt format or maybe docx, but it's better to save it as budget.xlsx like this. And by doing something like this, we will be able to create this XLSX spreadsheet. And as you can see, I typed in, for example, formulas, because Cloud Cowork is advanced and it can actually use, for example, formulas for a sum, for a multiplication, and so on. I will show you that in a second. So let's call the prompt. We are starting. So thinking, first of all, we have to read skill. What skill we are using? Of course, we are using, in the context, we are using skill XLSX. So if you watched the previous video, you maybe saw that we were creating the docx document, and in this video we were using the docx skill. In that case, we are using the XLSX skill. In the future video, we will create, for example, the presentation in PowerPoint. We will create the PDF file, and you will see that the skills that we are using will change. For now, we are loading tools, we are creating the task, and we are running the command. It will take some time, because I asked the model to make the spreadsheet a little bit complicated, because as you can see, it needs to have the categories, totals, formulas, and the chart, so it may take some time. Of course, after the creation, you will be able to see this document inside of your Cloud desktop, even if you don't have, for example, the Excel on your computer, you will be able to do it. So for now, we are waiting, and we are creating the file. As you can see, here you have also the progress. So create monthly budget spreadsheet. If the task will be finished, it will be crossed, and this one circle will be in the blue color thing, if I remember correctly. So we are waiting, we are creating the file. I could probably use a little less complicated prompt, because now we have to wait a little bit, but it's okay. As you can see, created make budget.python. So it created, I would say, a plan of how to do it, and now it is running the command to actually create this file. So I would say we are in the second step of creation this. Maybe I will pause this video and I will go back to you after my XLSX file will be created. So, or no, I don't have to pause the video because it is already finished. So we have the budget.xlsx now. So we are in the last step. As you can see, your budget spreadsheet is ready. Zero formula errors across all 77 formulas. And now you can actually open it right here. So as you can see, we have, for example, something like this. So we have salary, wages, freelance, investments, and so on. And as you can see here, we have the sum function. So we are summing this and we are printing the value here. So as I said, we can actually use the sum. I mean, not the sum, but the function. So we have sum here, we have sum here. No, we have here we have the division. So total income is this subtracted from this. Or no, in the other case, so we have to subtract this from this value. Here we have some other values. As you can see, a lot of things. So as you can see, this Excel file is pretty complicated, but even though we had to wait for about, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes, it is finished and everything is working properly. So this is how you can create the Excel spreadsheet in Cloud Cowork. If you found this video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.